Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to protect your wallet from SIM swap attacks in Ace Crypto Wallet. Protecting your Ace wallet from SIM swap attack is crucial for maintaining the security of your cryptocurrency asset. Here are some steps to do it. First is to use strong authentication. Enable biometric authentication, fingerprint or facial recognition for accessing the Ace wallet. On the Settings tab, you can enable Face ID. Use a strong password, unique password for your Ace wallet account that is difficult to guess. Avoid using SMS-based two-factor authentication. Instead of SMS for two-factor authentication, use an authenticator app like Google Authentication for better security. You can also contact a mobile provider and ask them to add a PIN or password to your account, making it more difficult for attacker to perform a SIM swap. Limit the amount of personal information associated with a phone number that could be exploited. You can also monitor account activity. Regularly check your Ace wallet account for any unauthorized transaction. Enable transaction alert if available, so you are notified of any activity on your account. Go to your settings and you can see Notifications tab there. After that, enable these toggles on. You can also back up a wallet. Always keep a secure backup for a wallet recovery phrase. This ensures you can recover your wallet if it becomes compromised. Some of the important notes are: always be cautious of phishing attempts and never share recovery phrase or personal information with anyone. If you suspect your SIM has been compromised, immediately contact a mobile carrier and change password for your account. By following these steps, you can significantly reduce the risk of falling victim to SIM swap attacks and enhance the security of your Ace wallet. So that is how you can protect your wallet from SIM swap attack in Ace Crypto. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.